Today we will look at VisionClaw and how it works and how to use it.
Chatbot, can you help me add this into my Amazon cart?
Sure, I can help with that. I see the Monster Ultra Strawberry Dreams energy drink. I'll look that up to add to your Amazon cart. It's added to your cart. Is there anything else I can help with?
Cool, thank you.
Hey, quick update from the mirror. Fresh face, fresh idea. So I just discovered VisionClaw on GitHub. It hooks your Meta glasses straight into OpenClaw using Gemini Live, giving real-time voice and vision. The plan? I wear the glasses, they watch my screen while I trade Hyperliquid manually. I talk through every move, entry price, stop, take profit, why I'm feeling the setup. The AI learns my patterns, how I spot momentum, when I cut losses, when I let winners run. After a few sessions, it'll start suggesting trades or even auto-execute in my style. No more glued to screen days.
Welcome to VisionClaw. This is the repo that big tech is terrified of. Why? Because it takes a pair of standard Meta Ray-Bans and turns them into a fully autonomous agent that lives on your local host. Look at this architecture here. This is the God mode pipeline. It works in 3 stages. First, the glasses act as the eyes. They capture the frames and stream the audio. Second, it pipes that data directly into Gemini Live. This is the brain. It understands context, sarcasm, and intent in real time. But here's the secret sauce, the hands. It delegates the action to OpenClaw. Most AI wearables just talk to you. VisionClaw actually does things. If you look at the quick start guide here, you'll see. It's not magic. It's a WebSocket server bridging your glasses to your local machine. You clone the repo, you drop in your API key, and suddenly, your glasses can read code, book flights, or analyze the stock market while you're walking down the street. The code here is written in Swift and Python. It bypasses the need for a heavy app and routes everything through a local gateway. This means zero data harvesting. Your life stays on your machine. You are building a Jarvis that you own. Now scroll down to the audio pipeline. This is critical. Most wearables lag. They think too slow. VisionClaw captures raw PCM audio and streams it directly via WebSocket. That means near zero latency. It feels like a real conversation, not a turn-based strategy game. But the real magic is the tool calling architecture. Gemini isn't just generating text here. It is acting as a router. It analyzes what you see and what you say, then it decides which tool in your arsenal to trigger. It passes that command to the OpenClaw gateway, and boom, it executes code on your computer. No cloud API fees for the logic, just pure local execution. Now let's look at what this actually unlocks. We are moving from chatbots to action bots. VisionClaw creates a loop. It sees, it thinks, it acts. On the site here, you see the breakdown. The integration list is massive. Because it uses OpenClaw as the back end, your glasses are now connected to over 50 tools. Slack, Discord, Home Assistant, Spotify, Gmail. Here's how you make money with this. Look at these scenarios: smart shopping and cooking assistant. Imagine selling a setup to real estate agents where the glasses autofill inspection reports as they walk through a house. Imagine a mechanic wearing these and the AI is ordering parts and pulling up schematics hands-free. You aren't just installing a GitHub repo. You are building service as a software. The hands-free messaging isn't just for convenience, it's for high-speed productivity. You can be driving and managing your entire agency team via Slack just by talking to the air. And notice the local and private badge. That is your selling point to enterprise clients. Law firms, medical offices, they can't use cloud-based wearables, but they can use this. This connects to everything. It turns the physical world into a digital dashboard. You look at a product, it checks the price. You look at a fridge, it generates a recipe. You look at a broken server, it pulls the error logs. This is the bridge between the physical and the digital, and we are crossing it today. Look at the smart home boss scenario. Most people think this is just about turning on lights. No, this is contextual automation. The I sees you walking in with groceries, it knows your hands are full, and it unlocks the door and sets the lights before you even ask. That is the difference between a gadget and a superpower. But scroll down to the ecosystem. This is where the ROI happens. Connects to everything. Over 50 built-in integrations. We are talking Google Calendar, Notion, WhatsApp, finance tools. Think about the friction you lose every day just stopping to type on a phone. VisionClaw eliminates that friction. If this tool saves you 2 hours of admin work a day, and your time is worth $100 an hour, this free open source repo just paid you $200 a day. And look at the what you need section. It is shockingly simple. The glasses, the phone, the API key, and OpenClaw. You don't need a server farm. You don't need a PhD in machine learning. You just need the hardware and the ambition to set it up. Now, the code is on GitHub, but the business model is in the Forge. I just updated the AI Money Forge with the complete VisionClaw blueprint. I am showing you exactly how to configure the gateway, how to secure the connection, and most importantly, how to wrap this technology into an offer you can sell. We have a problem though. The community is growing too fast. I am opening up 100 spots right now. If you get in today, you are locked in as a VIP for life. You get the blueprints, the installation scripts, and the agency roadmap. We are not just watching AI happen here. We are building the infrastructure. Don't wait until the doors close. Click the link in the description. Join the Forge. Stop renting intelligence. Start owning it. I'll see you inside.